brother, I understand what I'm going on the exam. I believe no one going on the exam today. I understand, man. Yo, what's the right side? I can't take people like that in my you. I study them off from father, man, brother. Yo, right, I missed you for the link, brother. Forward, man, you. I should give them answer for the exam, brother. Brother, but I forget them answer for later exam, brother. We have to try persuade our man youth. We have to do anything by any means, brother. You see what I say? Make me do most of the talking.
Gentlemen, what brings you guys here?
I was just wondering if you could just give us the answers to the exam.
And you're proposing I give you the answers? For what?
You know, I don't know what you can do for me. I've been really trying.
Alright then, alright. Since you're being funny, pop quiz. Which one of you plus me equal rights?
Oh, miss, where the panda tina miss? Where you go? Yo,
Miss, where the pan? Miss, where really the pan? Miss, where really the pan?
Miss, the paper I want.
Alright, don't worry. I just wait right here, so. Just give me 1 minute. 1 minute. Stay right here. Fix them good boy business and come on here. Don't come and ask answers from me. Which exam them after tomorrow? Maths? Alright. Give them psychology answers. It's a joke tomorrow, maybe. Alright, gentlemen.
Alright, miss. Thanks, miss.
Man, we are starting at that. Brother, I tell you, say just simple and poor we have to do, man, you.
Have it, brother.
When you say liquor, yo, you have to celebrate before God exam in the charge of forward, man.
Today is the day of the mathematics examination. Each student will receive a question paper consisting of 3 pages. You have 2 hours to complete this exam. Please do not turn over until I tell you to do so. Princess, please. Put that away. Exam. Seriously. Ladies and gentlemen, you may begin.
Hold on there. But them answer look wrong, you know. No, hold on. Them answer look wrong. Answer them look wrong, you know. But true, him want pass the exam, him nah look properly. Not a sense, you know.
Can't bother, you know. Can't bother. I eat that boy with you show me on paper.
The exam easy.
The exam be hard.
Wow,
It's
it's the easy one for like sections. Yeah, no, they said they answered them right. Hey, yes! Why don't have money to deal with brother? Should I give man an answer sheet, dog?
Yo,
That's all enough.
Come here, brother. I've got page, come here.
Right.
Oh shit, check over this.
Miss William.
Miss William.
Miss William.
Miss William.
Yo, me check around the center there. Miss Williams. Watch it, you know. Especially. Miss Williams! Miss Williams! Miss Williams! Miss Williams! Miss Williams! Miss Williams!
Oh no, no, par. Me and Miss Williams are par now.